Di for diabetics. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon rice, 3 tablespoon black gram dal, 3 tablespoon red gram dal, 3 tablespoon green gram dal, 2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 4 teaspoon oil, 2 green chilies, minced, 2 teaspoon coriander leaves, chopped, half teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Preparation: soak rice, dal and the fenugreek seeds overnight. Next day, coarsely grind it along with the required quantity of water and the salt. Mix the batter with the minced chilies, coriander leaves and the grated ginger till well combined. Divide the batter into 2 portions. Spread 1 big spoonful of the mixture on a hot tawa. When the base is crisp and golden, pour 1 teaspoon oil over its edges and turn over the adai to cook the other side. Repeat the same with the remaining quantity of the batter. Serve hot with chutney or sauce. Basmati rice with lemon and thyme recipe. Ingredients: 1½ cups water, half teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup basmati rice, half medium lemon, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh thyme, 1 pinch freshly ground white pepper. Preparation: in a medium pot, bring the water to a boil. Add the salt and basmati rice. Grate the rind from the lemon and add it to the rice. Squeeze the juice from the lemon into the rice. Bring the liquid to a boil. Then reduce heat to a simmer. Cover the pot tightly and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is tender. Add the thyme and season with white pepper. Black beans and rice recipe. Ingredients: 5 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium green bell pepper diced, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 2½ cup cooked black beans, 2 cup rice, 1/4 cup water, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 cup cumin, black pepper to taste. Preparation: in a large pot, heat oil with fragrant. Add onion, bell pepper and garlic and cook till tender. About 8 minutes. Add the remaining ingredients and cook over medium-high heat until all the water has been absorbed. It should take 15 minutes or less. Stir with a fork. Cover and cook over low heat until the rice is tender. Discard bay leaf and serve hot. Carrot curry recipe. Ingredients: 1 fresh carrot cut into 1/2 slices, 1½ teaspoon crystal cube fructose, 1 teaspoon Dijon style mustard, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 2 teaspoon walnut oil, 2 tablespoon raisins, 2 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley. Preparation: in a large saucepan, bring 1 of water to a boil. Place carrots in a vegetable steamer over boiling water and cover tightly. Steam 20 minutes and remove from heat. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix together fructose, lime or lemon juice, mustard and curry powder. Heat walnut oil in a large skillet, then add carrots and raisins. Toss 2 minutes, pour the sauce over the carrots and cook. Stirring to blend 2 minutes more. Sprinkle with parsley. Coconut rice pudding recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup short grain rice, half cup skim milk, sweetener 6 teaspoon, sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon shelled coconut, and sweet. Preparation: in a saucepan, combine cooked rice, skim milk, article sweetener, vanilla and coconut. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes or until most of moisture evaporates. Rice kernels stick together and mixture is creamy. Curried rice recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups chicken broth, 1 cup brown basmati rice well rinsed, 2 teaspoons virgin olive oil, 1 small onion chopped, 1 teaspoon to 1½ curry powder, 1 tablespoon raisins, half cup green peas thawed if frozen, 6 hazelnuts chopped. Preparation: in medium size saucepan, bring broth and rice to a boil. Cover and simmer 40 minutes until water is absorbed and rice is tender. Drain if necessary. Meanwhile, heat oil in a non-stick skillet and saute onion softened. Stir in curry powder, add onion, raisins and peas to rice and heat thorough. Garnish with nuts. Makes 2½ to 3 cups or 6 servings. Diabetic glorified rice recipe. Ingredients: half cup rice uncooked, 1 crushed pineapple in own juice, 1 package sugar-free fruit flavor gel, boiling water, pineapple juice drained from can, maraschino cherries, heavy cream. Preparation: cook rice according to package directions. Drain, set aside. Drain pineapple, reserving 1 cup juice. Dissolve gelatin in 1 cup boiling water. Add juice. Stir in well-drained rice. The cooked rice will absorb the color and flavor of the gelatin. Mix well and chill until thickened but not quite set. Add drained pineapple and cherries if desired. Fold in cream that has been wiped. Chill 8 servings. Dosa. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, half cup black gram, 2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Preparation: soak the rice, dal and the fenugreek seeds overnight. Next, grind them along with the required quantity of water and salt to a smooth batter. Leave the batter aside for a few hours to ferment. Spread 1 big spoonful of batter on a hot tawa. When the base is golden, spread 1 teaspoon oil over its edges. Turn over and cook the other side. Serve hot with sambar or chutney. Ginger rice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 2 cups water, 1½ teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon butter or margarine, 1 piece pickled ginger, 2 teaspoon Worcestershire. Preparation: first, you should know that bouillon often contains some sugar. The Worcestershire sauce may also. The pickled ginger can be found at any Southeast Asian market. It comes sliced, but for purposes of the recipe, you need to cut it in very thin strips and then cut the strips into 1/8 pieces. Combine all ingredients except Worcestershire sauce and bring to boil, stirring once or twice. Cover, reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until done. Stir in Worcestershire. Herb rice recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried onion flakes, half tablespoon dried celery flakes, 2 tablespoon dried parsley, half teaspoon dried garlic flakes, 1 tablespoon dried green pepper flakes, half teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon chicken flavored granules, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 pinch ground cloves, half cup wild and brown rice, 2.5 cup water, 1 cup scallion. Preparation. In a small bowl, combine the first 10 ingredients in a medium saucepan. Combine the rice, water and the herb mixture. Bring to a boil, partially cover, lower the heat and simmer for 45 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Fluff with a fork, fold in a scallion and serve at once. Idli for diabetics. Ingredients: 1 cup parboiled rice or rice rava, half cup urad dal, 2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Preparation: soak rice, dal and the fenugreek seeds overnight. Next day, grind all the ingredients separately along with the required quantity of water. Mix all the batters with the salt well combined. Leave the batter aside for a few hours to ferment. Pour the batter into idli molds and steam for 5 minutes. Serve hot with chutney or sambar. Indian rice curry recipe. Ingredients: 2 teaspoon olive oil, 1 small onion, minced, 1/4 cup chopped tart apple, 2 teaspoon curry powder, 1 dash kaini, 4 cups cooked brown rice, 2 cups canned chickpeas, drained, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Preparation: heat the oil in a heavy skillet over medium heat. Add the onion and saute for 3 minutes. Add the apple and saute for 3 more minutes. Add the curry powder and kaini and coat the apple and the onion. Add the cooked rice and chickpeas. Cook thorough until the rice and beans are hot. Sprinkle with lemon juice and serve. Recipe for ragi malt. Ingredients: 2 cups of ragi, 2 cups of wheat, 1 cup of sprouted green gram, moong dal in India, 2 tablespoons of almond, 2 tablespoons of fried gram, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, a pinch of saffron, 5 cardamoms. Preparation: roast all ingredients except fried gram, cardamom and saffron. Roast peanuts separately and remove the outer skin. Add the stew to the roasted mix and grind to a fine flour. Add 1 tablespoon of the malt. Thus, obtain to 1 cup of warm milk. Add sugar. Sugar substitute or honey as sweetener for a delicious and healthy beverage. Cardamom and saffron are storehouses of nutrition containing ample proteins, minerals like calcium and iron, and vitamin C. Saffron also contains vitamin A. Besides, the carbohydrates, minerals, and fiber of the various grains are counterbalanced by the proteins provided by the green gram, lentil, and the almonds. Adding fruits and milk to the malt provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. All in all, a fully balanced meal that is delicious and easy to prepare. Spinach with onions recipe. Ingredients: 2 fresh spinach, 2 tablespoon margarine, half cup onion, dash each nutmeg, thyme, salt, dash fresh ground pepper. Preparation: rinse spinach thoroughly. Place into top of double boiler and heat until wilt. Drain and chop coarsely. Melt margarine in skillet. Add onion. Saute over high heat until onions is brown on the edges. Add seasoning. Stir to blend. Add and toss to blend. Stir-fried green beans. Ingredients: stir-fry sauce, 1½ tablespoon minced garlic, 1½ tablespoon minced fresh ginger, 2 scallions white and green parts minced, 2 tablespoon dry sherry, 2 tablespoons Splenda granular, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoon peanut or vegetable oil. Stir-fry 1½ pounds green beans, trimmed, rinsed, 2 tablespoons water. Preparation: combine the stir-fry sauce ingredients in a small bowl. Set aside. In a large skillet or wok, heat the oil and stir-fry the green beans until they are barley crisp tender, approximately 2 minutes. Add the water and continue stir-frying for another 2 minutes until the beans are crisp tender and water has evaporated. Add the sauce and continue stir-frying for 5 or 6 minutes until the beans are tender but not overcooked. Serve immediately. Stuffed mushrooms recipe. Ingredients: 20 large white mushrooms, 1/3 cup onion diced, 2 tablespoon cornflake crumbs, 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs fine, 2 tablespoon Parmesan cheese grated, 3 tablespoon dry sherry, water, parsley flakes, salt and pepper, garlic powder optional. Preparation: wash and clean the mushrooms, then pull off the stems and dice. Place the diced stems and onions in a small bowl and cover with wax paper with the microwave on high. Cook for 45 seconds. Add the crumbs, cheese, sherry and enough water to moisten the mixture. Season to taste with parsley flakes, salt, pepper and garlic powder. Then spoon the fillings into the mushroom caps. Place them around the edge of a large round microwave plate. Cook on medium for 3 minutes, turning the plate every minute for even cooking. Serve hot. Chana masala. Ingredients: 1 kg Kabuli chana, salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon mango powder, 1 teaspoon kala namak, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon clove powder, half teaspoon turmeric, baking soda optional. Preparation: soak Kabuli chana overnight. Boil the chana over slow heat in a covered pot with lots of water and salt. Keep checking the level of water often. Boil till chana is soft and can be broken by pressing between fingers. This can take several hours. Time can be reduced by adding baking soda. Mix all spices together in a bowl. Once the chana is boiled and done, add the spice mixture and bring it to a boil. Do not leave much water. Garnish with chopped coriander. Chicken fry without oil. Ingredients: chicken 1 kg, curd 1 cup, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as required. Preparation: add all the above ingredients together and leave aside for just 10 minutes. Then cook in a pressure pan for about 10 minutes. After that, fry it in a non-stick pan till it becomes dry. Now decorate with coriander leaves, spring onions and capsicum. Chicken fry without oil is ready to serve. Dahi vada with zero oil. Ingredients: 1 cup urad dal, salt, water. For dahi, 4 cups thick yogurt, 1/4 water to whisk yogurt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon freshly roasted and powdered cumin powder, salt, 2 teaspoon sugar according to sweetness, finely chopped coriander leaves, date and tamarind chutney for garnishing. Preparation: soak urad dal for 4 hours and then grind it into smooth paste along with salt. The batter should be thick enough. Grind using very less water. Take a katori and cover its mouth with a wet cloth. Hold the cloth tight from below so as to get the flat surface on top. Put 1 tablespoon of urad dal paste on the top of the wet cloth and slightly flatten it with wet hands. Make a small hole in the center. Heat water in a pan. Water should be boiling. Drop slowly vada in the boiling water. First, vada will settle down at bottom and after few minutes it will come up. Keep it for 1 minute and then remove vada from pan. Similarly, make all the vadas. You can fry 5 to 6 vadas at a time, depending on how big is your kadai. Once you are done with all the vadas, place the vadas in a serving bowl and pour the yogurt mixture evenly over the vadas, covering them completely. Refrigerate until serving. Preparation of dahi. Whisk the yogurt by adding little water. It should be thick. Add salt, sugar to it and keep it refrigerated for half an hour. Final dahi vada. In a serving bowl, keep vadas and pour dahi on them. Sprinkle it with chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder. Garnish with chopped coriander and tamarind chutney. Serve cold. Mixed veg salad without oil. Ingredients: half bunch spinach, 250 grams cabbage, 1 small cup boiled corns, 1 small cup mint leaves, 2 carrot, 2 moli, 1 beetroot, half bunch coriander, lime juice, chaat masala, salt as per taste. Preparation: grate the beetroot, moli and carrot. Chop cabbage, spinach, mint leaves and coriander and boiled corns into it. For dressing, add lime juice, chaat masala and salt. Can be served plain or with curd. No oil, cool bale. Ingredients: 1 liter puffed rice, 1 tomato, finely chopped, 1 slice raw mango, finely chopped, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon green all-purpose chutney, 1 tablespoon tamarind chutney, 1 tablespoon fresh curds, salt to taste. Preparation: mixed puffed rice, curd and salt. Keep aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Add all other ingredients except half coriander. Mix well with a large spoon or hand. Transfer into 3 individual bowls. Garnish with remaining coriander. Serve immediately. Oil-free fish recipe. Ingredients: Hisla fish 4 pieces, mustard seeds paste 2 tablespoons, coconut grate 1 tablespoon, salt 1/3 teaspoon, water 1/4 of a small cup, green chilli 4 pieces. Preparation: In the mixer, mix the mustard seeds paste, grated coconut and 2 green chillies. Add a pinch of salt as you add them in the mixer. Now take the paste you prepared above in a container with a tight lid. It is suggested to use a steel container. Add 1/4 of a small cup of water in the container. Add the fish and 2 green chillies and put the lid on tightly. Keep the container in a pressure cooker and pour some water. On a flame, let it steam and blow 3 whistles. Once the 3 whistles blow, you are ready. Serve hot with rice. Palak paneer. Ingredients: half kg spinach. Choose a bundle with smaller leaves. 1 ground cardamom, 1 to 2 cloves, 1 to 2 peppercorns, 3 onions chopped, half piece ginger chopped, 4 to 6 flakes garlic chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur, 1/4 teaspoon salt or to taste, 2 tomatoes chopped, 100 grams cottage cheese cut into 1 cubes. Preparation: Break spinach leaves into small pieces. Discard stalks. Wash leaves in a plenty of water. Keep aside to drain. In a kadai, add cardamoms, cloves and peppercorns. Add onions and stir on low heat till light brown. Add ginger, garlic and red chillies. Mix well. Add fenugreek leaves, garam masala, red chilli powder, amchur and salt. Add chopped tomatoes. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes till well blended. Add spinach and cook uncovered for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. Remove from fire, cool. Blend the cooled mixture along with half cup water just for a few seconds to a coarse paste. Do not grind it into finely. Boil 1 cup water and add the spinach, tomato mixture to it. Simmer uncovered for 4 to 5 minutes. Mix paneer pieces. Give it one boil. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes till paneer turns soft. Transfer to a serving dish. Papad tacos. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized papad, cut each into 4 pieces with a pair of scissors. Some ready-made salsa. A few lettuce leaves, wash. Pat dry and tear into 2 pieces. Sour cream. Half cup fresh thick curd. Hang for 30 minutes in a muslin cloth. A pinch of salt and white pepper or taste. 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, half green chilli, deseeded and chopped. Vegetables: 1/4 cup finely chopped cucumber, 1/4 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup grated carrot, half cup capsicum chopped finely, salt to taste, half teaspoon white pepper or to taste. Preparation: Mix all ingredients of sour cream. Roast each piece of papad. Immediately wrap the hot papad on the edge of the fat side of the rolling pin to make a cup of the papad. Leave aside to cool and become crisp. You can do this well in advance and store in a airtight tin. Mix vegetables with sour cream to make salad. Check salt and pepper. Keep in a separate bowl. Put salsa in another bowl. At serving time, place the lettuce leaf on paper. Fill it with some salad. Top with salsa. Serve immediately. Rumali roti without oil recipe. Ingredients: 1/6 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/16 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon spreadable butter, 2 tablespoon water. Preparation: in a large bowl, sift together flour and salt, add butter and mix together with a fork until crumbly. Mix in water until dough pulls together. You may not need all the water. Turn dough out on a lightly flowed surface and knead until smooth and elastic. About 8 minutes. Cover and set aside for about 45 minutes. Knead the dough again until it becomes smooth. Form dough into a round. Roll as thinly as possible, using a light dust of flour if necessary to keep it from sticking. Invert a heavy cast iron non-stick skillet over a burner to heat it. Flip and spread roti over the pan. Cook for about 40 to 50 seconds before flipping. Cooking for an additional 40 to 50 seconds, flip one last time and cook to desired hardness. Sambar. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed vegetables, radish, potato, onion, lady's fingers, brinjal, capsicum. Cut into ½ inch apiece. 2 green chilies, slit sideways. ½ cup red gram dal. 3 teaspoons samba powder. ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 cups water. 1 tablespoon rice flour. Lemon-sized tamarind. Salt to taste. 1 small bunch coriander leaves for garnishing. For tempering, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, ½ teaspoon asafoetida powder, ½ teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 red chili halved, a few curry leaves. Preparation: cook the red gram dal in a pressure cooker and set aside. Soak the tamarind in 1 cup of water and extract the juice. Heat kadai and add all the ingredients for tempering. When the mustard seeds splutter, add this list, green chilies and the chopped vegetables. Add the tamarind juice, the remaining 1 cup of water, salt, turmeric and samba powder. Close with a lid and cook till the vegetables are cooked. Add the cooked red gram dal and simmer for 5 more minutes till everything blends well. If the sambar needs to be thickened, make a smooth paste of rice flour in 2 tablespoons of water and add to the sambar and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell disappears. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with rice. Spinach and mushroom soup. Ingredients: 1 cup roughly chopped spinach, 6 mushroom cut into paper thin slices, 1 flake garlic crushed, 2 cups milk, 2 cups water mixed with 2 tablespoons corn flour, 4 to 6 peppercorns crushed, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Preparation: boil chopped spinach with milk. Cook uncovered for about 5 minutes or till spinach softens. Remove from fire, cool, strain the spinach and reserve the milk. Put spinach in a blender with a little milk and roughly blend. Do not blend too much. Keep spinach puree aside. Heat a pan, add garlic and mushroom and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add spinach puree and the reserved milk. Add 2 cup water mixed with 2 tablespoons corn flour. Stir till it boils. Cook stirring frequently for 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt and crushed pepper. Remove from fire. Add lemon juice to taste. Serve hot. Tomato cucumber pickups. Ingredients: 2 tomatoes sliced into rounds, 1 cucumber peeled sliced into rounds, 100 grams paneer grated, 1 green chilli finely chopped or crushed, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs or mint or herbs of choice finely chopped, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon prepared mustard, 1.5 teaspoon sugar powdered, salt to taste, pepper to taste. Preparation: put paneer in a glass bowl. Add chilli, herbs, sugar, salt, pepper, mustard. Mix well, not crushing paneer to a paste. Arrange cucumber slices on a work surface in a single layer. Divide mixture between slices of cucumber. Press down, mix in center gently. Place a slice of tomato over each cucumber round. Transfer to a large serving plate. Keeping layers intact, use a metal spatula to help. Life each 1.5 sandwich. Sprinkle some more salt and pepper over tomatoes. Garnish with chopped coriander. Serve cold.
Carrot appetizer. Ingredients: black carrots 50 grams, water 4 cups, coarsely ground mustard seeds 10 grams, salt 1.5 teaspoon, chili powder optional 1 teaspoon. Preparation: wash, scrape and cut the carrots into 8 centimeters long thin pieces. Add the carrots and other ingredients to water. Mix well. Store in an earthenware pot or a glass jar. Put in the sun for 7 days or more to sour. Serve in a medium-sized glass over crushed ice. Corn muffins. Ingredients: corn meal 5 grams, wheat flour 8 grams, chickpea flour 5 grams, salt a pinch, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, baking soda a pinch, egg white 10 grams, curd 10 grams, water ½ teaspoon, carrots 5 grams. Preparation: sift the cornmeal, wheat flour, chickpea flour, salt, baking powder and soda together. Make a batter with egg, curd, and water. Fold in the grated carrots. Pour into a muffin mold and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Diet pasta recipe. Ingredients: 250 grams pasta, 1 big clove of garlic chopped into bits, 2 dried red chilies, soak them in warm water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a few olives, 1 juicy lime, chicken broth or chicken broth cubes. Vegetarians can use vegetable broth or vegetable broth cubes. A pan, a bowl, and a tablespoon. Preparation: boil pasta completely in the broth, chicken or vegetable. Add cubes to the water and boil it if you have no broth. Best way to boil pasta is in a cooker. Wait till 2 whistles. Boiling in a vessel will use up lot of LPG. Remove the boiled pasta into a big bowl. Put the pan on a low flame and put olive oil. Quickly add the chopped garlic and the soaked red chilies. Let it just turn pink. Add the contents of the pan to the boiled pasta. Add the olives, sprinkle salt and pepper. Your diet pasta is ready. Squeeze some lime before you eat it. Diet upma recipe. Ingredients: 250 grams of rava or suji, 2 carrots cut into small cubes, 1 small bowl of beans or sprouts, half lime, half tablespoon olive oil, 1 green chili, 1 tomato, a few curry leaves, a few cloves of garlic, a cooking pan, a tablespoon, 4 cups of water, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, and salt to taste. Preparation: set cooking pan on low flame. Put olive oil and don't let it get very hot. Add curry leaves, garlic and chili. Once the garlic has become slightly brown on edges, then add water. Do not overcook. Once the water starts simmering, add rava. Add carrots, beans and tomatoes when the rava begins to thicken. Cook on low flame. Add salt. Once the upma is cooked, garnish with coriander leaves. Squeeze lime before serving. Chicken chili low-calorie recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound ground chicken breast, skinless and cooked. Half cup onions chopped. Half cup bell peppers chopped. Half cup celery sliced. Half teaspoon olive oil. 15-ounce dark red kidney beans canned and undrained. 14 to 14.5 ounces crushed tomatoes. 1 to 3/4 cups of water. 6-ounce tomato paste. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Preparation: place chicken, onions, bell peppers and celery in a large skillet with oil. Cook over medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring and separating chicken as it cooks. Add beans, tomatoes, water, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder, salt and garlic powder. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 30 minutes. This recipe makes 8 servings easy chicken chili. Fish chowder recipe. Ingredients: 600 grams Tasmanian salmon fillet, bones and skin removed. 1 stick celery chopped. 2 medium carrots chopped. 1 cup cooked rice. 1 liter vegetable stock. 1 teaspoon lemon pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: place all the ingredients into a heavy based pot. Simmer over low heat for 1 hour or until vegetables are softened. Place all ingredients in food processor and process lightly. Add salt and pepper to taste and serve immediately. Minestrone soup. Ingredients: onion 20 grams, garlic half clove, carrot 20 grams,